Hey Nintendo,
What?
have you ever wondered what was inside Frigid Frosty?
No. I bet nothing could be cool inside.
Whatever, I'll see what's inside him myself.
You know, I kind of feel like I'm in danger.
Oh, to the awesome survival box we go.
Now wait a minute, why the...
Phew.
Hooray! I'm a savior.
Who in Parappa's name is that?
Right foot creep.
To host an object show. Time for a challenge.
But what is the prize?
Now for 3 teams of 4.
Okay.
Hey, want a team red?
Seriously, stop all that nonsense.
We should find more teammates. Nah, but we'll take it.
Kaboom! There goes your tower.
Reverse UNO card.
Contagiou geral, melhor que o Facebook, ele não tem igual, é uma fofocaiada.
Finally. Wait. What?
Now, the rest will be a team.
Wait, where's Rex?
Come on, choose a team name. Hooray, now it's time for a challenge. But first, I need to change my asset. It makes no sense. Now, let's see what the first challenge will be. Try to get down the mountain without dying. Whichever 2 teams has the least members or loses all, they will be up for elimination. Go.
Hop on.
That was fast. Maybe I should make it harder, but it's your time to vote. Rebut it or bark. Bark. Vote to save the contestant you want to keep on the show.